Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best OnPay pricing plan. When I started my business, payroll was one of the most confusing and time-consuming tasks, and finding the right provider was a maze of hidden fees. That's why I landed on OnPay, and I want to share why their pricing structure is a breath of fresh air. The best part about OnPay is that they essentially offer one simple, all-inclusive plan. There are no tiers like Basic, Plus, or Premium that lock essential features behind a higher price tag. This is huge. The pricing is transparent and straightforward. You pay a base monthly fee, plus a small per-person fee for every employee or contractor you pay that month. Right now, that's typically $49 as a base fee plus $6 per person, but you should always check their official website for the most current numbers. Why is this single plan the best plan? Because it includes the full suite of their services. First, full service payroll. This means unlimited pay runs, the ability to pay W-2 employees and 1099 contractors, and payment methods like direct deposit, all included in that single price. Second, tax filings. This is where I saved the most time and avoided major headaches. OnPay handles all your federal, state, and local tax filings automatically. They even guarantee their work, which gave me immense peace of mind. Third, HR tools and benefits integration. Even with the one plan, you get built-in HR features like PTO management, automated new hire reporting, and a full employee self-service portal. Plus, they make it easy to integrate with health insurance and retirement plans, often without extra administration fees. In my experience, comparing this to other services that charge extra for things like multi-state payroll, W-2 and 1099 processing, or even basic HR features, OnPay's single plan approach offers the best overall value. You get premium features without the premium complexity or cost. For a small or growing business, knowing exactly what your payroll is going to cost you each month, without fearing an upcharge for a necessary feature, is invaluable. The best OnPay pricing plan is simply the only OnPay plan, because it delivers a comprehensive, full-service solution with transparent, competitive pricing that scales easily with your business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.